What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the skeleton Coachman from 2009. Okay, guys, you heard me right. This prop is from 2009. Definitely going to be one of my oldest. I believe my second oldest, like life-size animatronic. In terms of like actual life-size, like this thing is like 6 feet tall. This is my oldest. My other like actual animatronic is from 2008. Is the Guardian of the Grave. But this guy's from 2009 and he's 6 feet tall. So he is, yeah. I'm excited. We got this off of Facebook Marketplace again, just like the hay bale popper and all that. So yeah, the only defect that I've really seen on him is I believe his mouth doesn't work, but we will see. Everything else seems to work though. So let's get into this unboxing. I'm excited for this one. Coming out first is going to be this hip loop looking thing, kinda. Not really a hip loop, more of a, yeah, a hip loop with a connector thing. This is a Gemmy, so very interesting setup looking. Usually Gemmies just come right up and just, you know, like my Michael Myers, he just collapses and goes back down, but you know, and you have to put the head on. But no, this looks like an actual setup. Coming out right here is actually the head. Yeah, they have the adapters in the head, like the Ghost Girl that I have. Yeah, here's his head. It's pretty cool. Actually, in pretty good shape for 2009, I must say. His eyes blink, so that'll be really cool. I don't think I'm going to be able to use him in the yard this year because I already did my video and it's pretty packed out there. So hopefully next year, though. Right here looks like all the clothing. This looks pretty worn. This definitely looks like it's from 2009, but still, it looks pretty good. Okay, so this looks like the torso and control box and all that stuff with the arms already pre-attached. So yeah, right here, this is where the adapter goes. There's no volume control. There's a step pad option. There's off and sensor. We're gonna have them on sensor, obviously. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Coming out next, we have the base with the feet already pre-attached as well. Oh, that was a screw. That could not have been good. Don't know where that came out of. It seems fine though. Right here, we have a ton of support poles. I assume they're just gonna stake right in there and that'll keep him up straight. We have the instructions right here, which I'm glad they have because I was not going to know how to assemble it. Our last thing coming out right here is the adapter 6-volt 2-amp, I believe. I don't know what it is. We will see. All right, guys, that is going to do it for the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. All right, guys, I have them all wired up and ready to go. Now let's plug him in.
So glad you're here. Things were just dead before you showed up.
Yeah. Jaw? Let me give his jaw.
I used to think that working your fingers to the bone was just a figure of speech.
I like the way his head moves.
Come in, come in. Pay no attention to the other ghosts and beasties that are about.
Alright guys, so that was the skeleton Coachman. He's pretty cool, honestly. I think he's a great greeter. We have him greeting as you come in the house this year. Hoping to use him in the yard next year or just like in the alcove area. We will see. But yeah, great find for 40 bucks, especially considering it's pretty rare and from 2009. I believe I'm the only person that's ever done an unboxing on YouTube of this guy, so that's awesome. So yeah, like I said, he's from 2009, so I can't leave a link in the description to buy him. I actually don't think there's any on eBay or Mercari right now, actually, either, so he's definitely very rare. I will leave a link in the description for merch, though. Thank you guys so much for watching. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.